And this morning, let's get you all the latest updates on the Hathras case. The CBI has officially taken over this case now. This as the UP government had recommended the CBI probe into the case last week. The Department of Personnel and Training, that's the DOPT, has given a clarification and a notification for the CBI to take over the case. The probe agency will soon begin its investigation. Remember, the victim's family had made it clear that they don't want a CBI probe in the case and they've instead sought a judicial inquiry. Sources have told India Today that the special investigation team, which is looking into the Hathras case as of now, has summoned 40 villagers, including witnesses of the crime scene, as well as people who witnessed the cremation by the police. The SIT is now likely to recreate the crime scene.
जी सीबीआई का हमें पता नहीं है। हम तो पहले से कह रहे हैं कि हमें जो भी फास्ट ट्रैक में लेके सुप्रीम कोर्ट से जो जज जो आदेश जो न्याय करेगा वो हम जो उसी बोल रहे हैं सर। जी सीबीआई का हमें पता नहीं है। हम तो पहले से कह रहे हैं कि हमें जो भी फास्ट ट्रैक में लेके सुप्रीम कोर्ट से जो जज जो आदेश जो न्याय करेगा वो हम जो उसी बोल रहे हैं सर।
Shivendra is joining us live from Hathras in Uttar Pradesh. Shivendra, good morning. Are we expecting that the SIT will officially hand over the probe to the CBI, or is the SIT going to file its probe report anyway?
See, this was much awaited move by UP government because opposition was targeting him for not issuing notification for CBI inquiry. But finally, yesterday in the evening, they issued this notification for CBI inquiry further, and most likely from Monday, CBI will take over this whole issue and they will start investigation on their own way. But before that, SIT is also investigating this matter. They will recreate the scene of crime and they will submit this report to government of Uttar Pradesh, and through that, all the documents, all the evidence and all the findings by the SIT will be handed over to CBI for further investigation. But this is very important move by UP government because now CBI will look into first FIR, which was registered by victim family, alleging that this is conspiracy against them and why police was not registering a FIR for rape and murder. On the basis of that, they will start investigation, and further, after going ahead, they will find on the basis of findings, they may register further FIR and they may arrest people and they may question certain people in this case. But CBI will take its own course of time, and in the meantime, SIT, all onus goes on SIT because they'll have to submit their report on 16 to UP government, and on the basis of that, UP government will certainly take some action because it was alleged that officers involved in this case, they showed leniency and they were involved in crime of cremating this girl at night. So all the kind of report will be submitted to UP government, and before CBI go ahead, SIT will submit this report and UP government will certainly take some action.
Okay, so while the CBI has taken over, they're yet to officially start the investigation, and that perhaps will happen in the days to come. Shivendra, thank you for those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.